After we have done the basic settings for the post-process volume, let's continue to the next step. And that is, we'll go ahead and change the viewport to lit now for the first time. And we will see if there is any emissive object or any object with emissive material that is present in the scene. We have to go ahead and change the emissiveness of that material to 0. So as I can see, while I am in the lit mode, few of the objects are emissive here. You can see here, too much emissiveness is there. And this is not good for lighting. So we will switch their value to 0 for now. After we have added and done the lighting, then we will go ahead and switch them back depending on what intensity we need them to be active in the scene. But when we start off, so here it is, these bookmarks are going to help us decide where are those objects which we have to switch off the intensity or reduce the intensity to 0. So I will go ahead here. I will select H, then press H, and then I will select this emissive object. Again, still I have not selected, so I'll press H again. And then actually I can see the emissive object with the emissive material. I will double click here on this, and there's no option to switch this off, like the parameter is not there. Then I will go ahead, open this material, and here I will go ahead and this parameter value where it is going on multiply, I will right click convert to parameter, and I will name it as intensity, and then click apply. And then I will go back to material instance, and then I will have that option in here. Now I will go ahead and change this to 0. Again, I will go to other bookmarks and see if something is illuminated still. So as I can see in this bookmark, I can see. So I will pressing right click and then WSD for the movement. I will select this again, close this, open this material, and I will have to go ahead and do the same here. I will go ahead and set it to 0. And now, as you can see, if I go ahead and switch off the roof element and go to 5, maybe in here in this viewport, and switch off the roof and change this to lit, I can see almost nothing is white or emissive material. Here I can see one thing, two things in fact. And if I switch to lit mode, these are the lights in the stove and this whatever it is, it's like oven or it's the oven. So I will go ahead and select this one, find that emissive material again, and then this doesn't have the emissive parameter again. So I will go ahead and add that. So right click, and then convert to parameter and intensity, apply. Then I will go ahead and change this to 0 for now. And then I will go ahead and do the same for this one also. And I have the parameter now, so I will set it to 0. Now again, I will go to 5, bookmark 5, and then I will switch to Alt 4 for switching to a lit mode. You can go ahead and switch like this, or just press Alt 3 or 4. It's up to you. So I can see nothing is illuminating now. So all the emissive metal I have set it to 0.